welcome to another episode of Reinventing the Meal. Yo, today we're gonna be making some tuna melts. I usually rehearse these recipes beforehand, but I've never made a tuna melt before, so this is my first time also trying a tuna melt, which is wild. I'm personally a patty melt type of bitch, but this one dude on Reddit had me feeling so inspired. He put up a picture of his tuna melts, and I was like, dang, those are some really pretty tuna melts. So here we are. Today we're gonna make some. You're gonna need some bread. Any bread is fine, but I personally think sourdough is the move for something like this. You're obviously gonna need your cans of tuna. You're gonna need some mayo. You're gonna need some pickles, a red onion, mustard, hot sauce, salt and pepper, garlic, and Swiss cheese. Before we get started though, I will say I actually didn't end up using the garlic, so oops on that. First and foremost, you're gonna get your tuna mix together. You're obviously gonna uncan all of your cans of tuna. This recipe makes about 4 sandwiches worth of tuna, so just a heads up. Anyway, so you got your tuna in the bowl, and then you're gonna put in like 3 to 4 generous tablespoons of mayo. You're gonna throw in some of your mustard, and then you're gonna dice up half of your red onion as well as some pickles, as much as you'd like. Some people like more pickle or more onion, whatever. It's just like whatever makes you happy, you know? Then I threw in a little hot sauce and then some pepper. Honestly, because of the hot sauce and the mustard and the pickles, there were already so many acidic elements that I actually omitted salt because there were already some salty, tangy things going on. I didn't want to make it overly salty, but if you want to put in salt, put in salt. And then once you have your tuna mix together, you're good to assemble. You're just going to put on some Swiss cheese, put on a very generous amount of your tuna mix, another layer of Swiss cheese, and then of course, cap it off with the other slice of your bread. I'm doing the mayo instead of butter tactic here to toast my bread because I just think it's so good. It's just so good. Anyway, so put on some mayo or butter on one half of your bread, flip it over onto the pan, and then while it's toasting, put butter or mayo on the other half. As always, we're gonna be looking for that really nice toasted golden brown crust. You're gonna be toasting these on about like medium low because again, you wanna get that super nice golden brown crust, but you also want the Swiss cheese to melt. Unfortunately, I don't get to eat them on camera here because I was making these sandwiches for a couple friends, so I'll go ahead and show that footage really quick.
Okay, you just filming all this shit.
Can we switch sides? Because this is my better side.
Yo, that's everything.
It really is.
I don't even know what else to say. Like, that's a
Oh my god, this is so good.
Come on, get it.
It's so good.
Honestly, I really want to make these again. And as I said before, I'm usually a patty melt kind of but like, dang, these were really good. So you got this melted Swiss cheese, and then you got like the little pockets of like onion and pickle for the little acidity bursts of vinegar, and then the like yumminess of like the tuna salad essentially, and this like I can't even verbalize. As always, thanks for watching. I still don't know how to do an outro, so I'm just gonna stick with calling myself out on it every single episode, but you know, whatever. I'll see you in the next one.